when the food. Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Cooking. Yes, it is a beautiful and sunny day, so we're at the river today. If you're a new subscriber here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to do a bit of cooking. We're going to do some curry chicken back with some cornmeal dumpling and banana. So stay tuned. Here, Island Adventure. Kaladi. You know, say your name.
Everall Daily.
Alright. At another adventure with us today, so stay tuned. Alright guys, the fire is up and running.
Nobody come in and tell me what is. What is she making? So everybody not going to water?
Yeah, I'm going to one.
I don't know where you wait for.
Shot.
I need our flour.
Yeah, man.
I come near the super.
Ah. This is beautiful. Yeah, man. She stand up in it, man. Yeah, it's a dumpling I got strong. Yeah, man, she stand up on it. What? Wow. No. You know, deep as you think.
Just don't want to add to the pot. Kaya up and running. So he wants to head master. So alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get our natural season cut up to add to our curry chicken back. So let's go. We have our sweet pepper, garlic, onion, tomato, scallion and thyme. So we'll go ahead now and get our pepper cut. Alright. Alright, the dumpling them now, this size. I can't make them bigger than this, you know. Because you have a lot of other fish, so we have to make them this size. Real cornmeal dumpling. Yeah, when they sell it, you just want one cup of water and your belly full. You don't need nothing else. And then we have also our green banana over here. I still peel them and put them in the pot. And then we don't put them in the pot. Alright, so. So guys, check out the view. The banana because I don't want my hand to be stainy, so I'm gonna get some oil on it.
Then just cut one tree.
So I get the banana peel now. Nice lovely banana. With some nice cornmeal dumpling and some curry chicken back. Nothing beat that. And a glass of lemonade. Alright guys, we finished peeling the banana now, so we'll go ahead and add it to the pot.
All of that now, go fit.
It's just 4 banana. It will fit. It will fit. Whoa. Alright guys, I already washed and cleaned the meat already, so now go ahead now and get the meat seasoned. So in here we have some all-purpose seasoning. And we have some chicken seasoning. And here we have some Maggi as well. Some Maggi.
One liquor proper.
Alright. Some blended season. Alright. Then we're going to go ahead now and add our curry.
So much water in it. I don't know, kind of low. You see all the water rush up, you know? Yeah, I'm going to shit there. What are we going here now?
We'll go ahead and mix this up. Alright guys, so stay tuned.
Fry it down before you put the season on it.
Huh?
Yeah, cook it down before you put the season on it.
Yeah, that may always do. Add a little bit of my secret sauce. So here we have our season, natural season already cut up already. Alright, so one stay tuned until when we get the curry cooked. The curry chicken back.
Oh, Levan, can I make it up? You know, can I make festival Levan? You never try to put it out. Alright. Like that, I'm not make it how you like it still. You can't make it, man. What you do? I'm ready. Make you put your food first. No rain or fall today, we have all day. There's no rain fall. We put down most of the time, we can fall down. This one I left down here tonight. I'm going to make a karaoke. I live on a good in a bit drunk here we don't have my idea.
What's that guys? Dumpling and banana in a pot already. That is it, man.
See? And me I take it off with. Stand there and wait there. Just stand there and wait till you take off with your hand, man.
One step. I put it two.
Down two right here.
Yeah, go ahead now guys and add the oil to the pot. Food pot finishing now, so we are going to put on the curry chicken up on the fire.
Tell you, you put up your hand in the pot. You see them pot, the way you see inside of them white, the ram put them in. You know, you put the higher than the big of your hand. Any pot you see inside of them white, then the ram put higher. They eat, because them children, they eat the faster than the pot, than the bucket pot. Wow. And you put oil in there. So when you go and drop in there, oil under the fire. And then go back over in the pot. Chemical reaction is all in it. The oil when you put this up, boom, in the fire. Then you go back in the pot. You know, my installation in the gone up already, you know, for the yard. But one time we got them saying about after I live already, I would say, alright, yo, chicken have it, chicken cook up on it. Right, you see the picture? You know, you can find this picture. Right, so you pick up the line. That's real cute. Much easier.
Already add our natural season to our curry. We have our scallion, garlic, onion, sweet pepper, and our hot pepper. So this is how it's going now. I'm gonna add some water to it. Alright guys, I have the curry on the fire. The curry chicken back cooking right now. It's a bit cloudy, but I hope the rain don't fall. The curry is coming along nicely. Look at that guys, so beautiful. Yes man, curry coming on nice and it have the right amount of season and spice. So stay tuned. Just right now, I'm finished. Look at this guys. Look on the big old fork this man use and I eat.
And this is a fork the devil used to drip people in the behind. You go ahead like this, the devil used to drip
Everyone, how is the food?
Bossy.
Nice. Just like it. No, no man.
And this is
I have RJ over here.
the food good. The food good.
Guys, this is when the food sweet, you know. It make you get the last spirit. Oh Jesus!
Show the people let me wicked swimming skills now. Guys, she can't swim enough. She can't swim very good.
My God, I'll be a motor right here.
Adapt me realize from one, you know.
We have jerky over here, Island Adventure. I say, enjoy yourself with my jerky chicken, you know.
Rum cream. Go upgrade to it.
Look at the chicken, guys. My one good, you know. Chicken look very nice.
Ginger.
Yeah, we like the jerk pan.
Oh, yeah, man.
Neat. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Always there for the life.
A family, brother.
And we say we are doing a collab because we are doing a cancel out the schedule.
Coffee.
Alright, take care. So guys, the Smith family is leaving now. Big up on yourself, Smith World TV, and thank you for stopping by, and nice meeting you guys. Yes guys, we come to the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.